Today I will show you how to grow tomatoes from seed to harvest step by step. First, plant your seeds in a tray. Water them, then transplant the seedlings. Finally, harvest your ripe tomatoes. Tomatoes are easy to grow at home in pots, containers, or garden soil. Just plant them in good soil, give them sun and water, and watch them thrive. Happy gardening! First, choose high-quality fresh tomato seeds for better germination.
Cherry tomatoes are great for beginners and grow faster. With a little care, you'll have fresh tomatoes in no time. Perfect for any garden, big or small.
Make sure seeds are suitable for your climate zone. Check the packet for maturity days and season info. This ensures healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Now prepare a light and well-draining soil mix. Combine soil, peat moss, and perlite. Mix thoroughly until the texture is uniform. This ensures good drainage for healthy roots. First, add your base garden soil. Next, layer in rich compost. Then, add coco peat for moisture and a little sand for drainage. Mix it all together thoroughly. Fill seed trays or small pots with this soil mix. Distribute the soil evenly into each compartment. Gently press the soil down to remove air pockets. The mix is now ready for planting. Plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep in the soil. First, create a shallow hole with your trowel. Drop the seeds in, then cover them gently. Finally, pat the soil down to ensure good contact. Cover seeds lightly with soil. Then, spray water gently to moisten the soil. This ensures the seeds stay protected and hydrated. Place the pots in a warm area with indirect sunlight. This spot near the window is perfect. The warmth and light will help them thrive. Tomato seeds need warmth between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. In this range, they germinate and grow strong. Keep them warm for healthy plants. Keep the soil moist, but never overwater. Seeds usually germinate within 5 to 10 days. After sprouting, handle the seedlings gently. Now, move them to a bright, sunny spot. Place them in soil and give them water. They will thrive in the sunlight. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. This gives them the energy to produce lots of healthy fruit. So, find a spot with plenty of sun. Proper sunlight helps plants grow strong and healthy.
Continue light watering once a day if needed. First, check the soil moisture by gently inserting your finger. If dry, water lightly at the base to avoid oversaturation.
Always check for drainage holes in your pots. This terracotta pot has a hole, preventing water buildup. But this plastic pot has no holes. Without them, root rot can occur. Within 2 weeks, seedlings will grow their first true leaves. First, identify the weak seedlings to remove. Gently pull them out by the base. This gives the healthy ones space to thrive. A simple step for a better harvest. Good air circulation prevents fungal diseases. Without it, plants become vulnerable to mold and mildew. Proper airflow keeps leaves dry and healthy. After 3 to 4 weeks, seedlings are ready for transplanting. Choose a bigger pot, at least 12 inches deep. See how this one is too shallow? Roots need space to grow. This larger pot is perfect. Its depth will give your plant a strong foundation. Fill the new pot with fresh, nutrient-rich soil. Open the bag and scoop the soil. Pour it in, filling the pot. Gently pat it down. Carefully loosen the soil around the seedling's roots. Gently squeeze the container to release the root ball. Lift the seedling steadily upward, keeping the roots intact. Brush away loose soil without damaging the fine roots. Plant it deeper to strengthen the stem. A stronger base helps it grow tall. That's it. Now firm the soil around it.
Place the pot in a sunny location again.
Now begins the vegetative growth stage. The stem elongates as new leaves emerge and roots expand. This stage establishes a robust foundation for future development. This stage lasts around 3 to 4 weeks. Support your plant with a sturdy stake. Insert the stake and tie the stem securely. Or use a tomato cage for all-around support. This prevents damage and promotes growth. Add organic fertilizer every 2 weeks. Scoop some out and spread it evenly. This feeds the soil for healthy plants. Repeat every 2 weeks for great results. Compost tea works very well for tomatoes. It's made from quality compost and provides nutrients directly to the roots. Just apply it at the base of the plants. It promotes strong growth and better yields. Avoid over-fertilizing to prevent leaf burn. Too much fertilizer can cause leaves to burn and turn brown. Always follow the instructions and apply evenly. Avoid over-fertilizing to prevent leaf burn. This plant is healthy, with vibrant green leaves, but this one is over-fertilized, showing yellowing and brown leaf tips, so always fertilize with care. Keep soil evenly moist during this stage. Gently check the soil's moisture level. Water slowly to saturate the root zone. The soil should feel moist, not waterlogged. Around 6 to 8 weeks, flowers will start appearing. Tomato flowers are small and yellow. These flowers will turn into fruits soon.
Gently shake the plant to help pollination.
Proper sunlight increases flower production. Sunlight drives photosynthesis, fueling growth. This time-lapse shows buds opening into full blooms. More light means more flowers. After pollination, tiny green tomatoes appear. This is the fruit development stage. From delicate blossoms, tiny fruits emerge and grow. Nurtured by nature, they ripen into vibrant abundance. Continue regular watering and feeding. Use your garden hose to keep the soil moist. Then, apply a balanced fertilizer to feed the plants. When watering plants, always avoid wetting the leaves. Water directly at the base of the stem. This helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps your plants healthy. Your plants will thank you. Tomatoes grow bigger each day during this stage. Depending on variety, they turn red, yellow, or orange. Most tomatoes are ready in 70 to 90 days.
Harvest when fruits are fully colored but still firm. They should have a vibrant color and feel firm to the touch. Gently twist the stem to pick it. This one is ready.
Regular harvesting encourages more fruit growth. See how the ripe red fruits are ready to be picked. Gently twist and pull the fruit free. Now the plant can focus on new growth. Remove damaged or diseased leaves quickly. Use clean pruning shears to make a quick cut. This prevents the spread of disease. To encourage new growth, carefully prune older leaves with clean shears. Next, apply a balanced fertilizer to replenish nutrients in the soil. Finally, water the base thoroughly to help the plant absorb the nutrients. With proper care, one plant can produce many tomatoes. Consistent watering, sunlight, and nutrients yield a bountiful harvest. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Follow these steps and enjoy fresh, homegrown tomatoes all season. First, plant seedlings in well-drained soil. Water them consistently. When ripe, harvest with shears. Enjoy your tomatoes all season long.